Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Dollar USA, where we share real practical ways to grow your money wisely. In today's video, we're diving deep into intraday trading, also called day trading. I'll break down the best strategies that beginners can use to start and, more importantly, how to manage risks so you don't lose your hard-earned money. Grab a notebook, because you're about to learn actionable tips you can use today. Section 1. What is intraday trading? Voiceover. First, let's understand what intraday trading is. Unlike swing trading or investing long-term, intraday traders buy and sell stocks, forex, or crypto within the same day. Your goal? To profit from small price movements. Remember, it's fast-paced, high-risk, so discipline is everything. Key points. Trades open and close within market hours. No overnight holding. Small profits per trade add up if you manage risk well. Section 2. Tools you need. To start, you need the right tools. 1. A reliable trading platform or broker. Make sure it offers real-time charts. 2. Strong internet connection speed matters. 3. Technical indicators. Learn basics like moving averages, RSI, MACD. 4. A clear trading plan and journal track every trade. Pro tip. Always use a demo account first to practice your strategies without risking real money. Section 3. Top 5 strategies for intraday trading. Now, here are 5 proven strategies that beginners use to make consistent profits. 1. Breakout trading. Identify key support and resistance levels. When the price breaks these levels with high volume, you enter in the direction of the breakout. 2. Moving average crossover. Use a short-term MA and long-term MA. When the short-term crosses above the long-term, it's a buy signal and vice versa. 3. Scalping. Take multiple small trades in highly liquid stocks. Aim for tiny profits each time volume is key. 4. Momentum trading. Trade stocks showing strong price movement with good news or earnings reports. Ride the momentum until you see signs of reversal. 5. VWAP strategy. Volume weighted average price. Buy below VWAP in an uptrend. Sell above VWAP in a downtrend. It helps you trade with the average market sentiment. Section 4. Risk management rules. Never trade without a risk plan. Here are some rules every intraday trader must follow. Key rules. Risk only 1–2% of your capital per trade. Always set a stop loss. Don't overtrade. 2–3 good trades are better than 10 random ones. Avoid trading during low volume hours. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Voiceover. Even pros make mistakes, but you can avoid the biggest ones. Don't chase the market. Don't trade on tips or rumors. Don't ignore your stop loss. Don't trade with borrowed money. Section 6. Final tips. Next steps. Voiceover. Day trading can be exciting, but remember, it's a skill, not gambling. Start slow, stick to your strategy, keep learning, and track your results. If you want me to make a video showing live trading examples, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Next Dollar USA for more real ways to make and manage money wisely. Good luck, trade safe.